All right, so we're gonna get into the new Nomad palette, which you've hopefully already, which you have not seen as of now. I was so excited when I got home from work to see this. It has like shamrocks, so cute, like three 4-leaf clovers, and it's fuzzy. And then, oh my God, mirror, and then these beautiful greens and shimmers, and I'll put swatches now. I swatched in my hand. Angelica Nikivas gave me an idea, and I think it's way better than what I was doing. This is my makeup that I wore all day today, and then I just removed the eye part and some of the lower concealer. So weird, but I love my greens. If you don't watch my reels and TikToks and stuff, I love my greens. Let's get into this palette, and I'm going to do comparisons as well to the other great name of it, the Ireland Wild Atlantic Way. And then look at this beautiful card. Like, are you serious? This is the Ireland Wild Atlantic Way Intense Color Palette. The destination's Ireland, obviously. So it has 11 grand mattes and 7 splendid shimmers inspired by the untamed and dramatic beauty of Ireland's west coast. And then it's inspired by a spectrum of Irish greens from soft moss and lush bogs to emerald gems and rich glens sprinkled with sea blues and neutral touches of limestone, peat, and golden flowering plants. So if you didn't know, Nomad is a traveling brand. I gotta send this in PR, by the way. I do have a code. It's not affiliated, but if you want to support my channel and support me, it is vegan brie. So you can save some money and support me if you want to support me. So for each of their launches, there's always a cause that some of the proceeds go towards. So this cause is we are proud to support Irish Wildlife Trust that works to raise awareness of Ireland's rich natural heritage and protect it for future generations. All right, set and primed. Let's get into this. I don't even know where to start. I'm going to do 2 eye looks. I'm going to do these kind of quick, well, quick for me because it's like late at night. It's like 9 o'clock at night, and every palette. So the last palette I got, I had a doctor's appointment. This time I have a doctor's appointment. I did the one before, like the morning of this, because I got it like the night before the reveal was. So this launches in a week, but it launches on the 12th, and it's gonna be $49. And then, like I said, you can use my code or codes for 10% off. If you didn't know, I love green eyeshadow. That's like my most used eyeshadow shade. I think it's kind of like a neutral because I work like an office job. It's gonna be like my everyday palette. You know what? I want to use Keem Strand right here, which is kind of like a blue sort of, I don't know, like, and I'm gonna do the outer corner first. Ooh. So I have a kind of warm to neutral undertone. So some things pull cooler on me. Like in the last palette, the New Zealand palette, the gray actually pulled kind of blue on me. Not in a bad way. I do love blue. This is like a blue kind of gray. Look at that. And they feel absolutely buttery perfection. I kind of want to do the yellow, the Malin Head, which at first I thought was like gonna be like a beigey shade, but it's actually a yellow, like a pale yellow. Oh yeah, like a super soft, almost like a, I don't know, would this be considered pastel? This is gonna be so, oh my God. They're a little powdery, but you know what? That actually sometimes helps with blending. And I'd rather than be like soft and blendable than be not like drier, which is sometimes fine too. It just depends. Let's do the Wild Rover, which is this green right here, like literally like a, I don't know, St. Patrick's Day green. It's very powdery, which is also fine. And then I'm just gonna press it. I do have hooded lids, so sometimes things get kind of lost, and I do have to take it up a little higher than if I didn't have hooded lids, but all right. And then let's put a shimmer down. The darkest shades are the Taint or Tante Tinte, and then the Keem, by the way. There's nothing like super dark. And then the terracotta one, which I did kind of like a warmish look today. I'm going to do Blarney Stone right there. Ooh, God, the greens, man. The greens. They're all so different. And I think green is a neutral. And then let's do the shimmer over here. Okay. My husband wanted me to do the Dia Doute. This one. Don't ask me how to do accents, okay? The accents are horrible. They feel so creamy. This reminds me of my birthstone, like Peridot, kind of. Or Peridot, whatever it's called. Peridot. And yes, I use my finger. You can wet your brush if you want. I think the primer might have dried, but it's okay. Oh my God. Ah. And then I want to do the Cope Harbor, which this has like, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it has like a little buzz, sorry. Like different colored shimmers in there. Okay. Ooh. That is a really, really, really cool shades. It's the only one that wasn't the most like metallic, but there we go. Let's warm it up a little bit. And just because I want to be extra, and again, use as many shades as possible, I'm going to do like one on the center of my lid. I'm going to do, let's do Salon right here. Just going to pat it. Let's do lower lash line. Let's do Emerald Isle. I'm just trying to use as many shades as I can, which is right here. There is a little bit of fallout, but then again, I don't usually do my face first. My face that I did like, you know, at like 6 a.m. today. Sorry, the lights are really, it's because it's completely dark outside. And then inner corner, let's do Savage Beauty, which they sneak peeked. I've been wanting to use this one right here. I don't even know how to describe it. It's like a gold, but like an old gold, but kind of not like an old gold. I don't have any like concealer or anything right here, so not showing up true to color. Yeah, I'm rushing. I got this literally tonight. Well, like during the day, but I had to work today. So I couldn't do like a look, you know, I was working because I wasn't home. I work over an hour away from my house. Like, oh. I could add a little bit more green, but that is just like one. I'll tweak it a little bit off camera. I want to use, actually, let's use Danny Boy and Connemara. These are kind of cool neutrals. Let's do Danny Boy first. And I'm pretty fair, so this is like very light on me actually. So you want to use this to set your primer or something, depending on your skin tone. You do that. I want to see what Connemara looks like, so I'm just going to use that a teensy bit up a little higher. Just to like, I don't know, see what it's all about. Not a huge difference, but it's okay. This still looks really pretty. Let's do a shimmer. Adding a little bit more of this just to see. I don't know, this is like not the most sticky, honestly, I really like the Fiorne epoxy, and then the Ben Nye one. This one's fine. It's a little bit more expensive. The Carla Cosmetics Fix Potion. It's fine. It's just sometimes it doesn't. I don't know. So while we're waiting for this to dry, I wanted to show the other greens. So I don't find this similar to this palette, which is Ghost Town. I'm going in order of release date. We have this palette which has some greens, but like these were more cool tones, very different. No, the copper's not. It's not the same at all. The Akavanga palette, which has similar packaging with like the velvety kind of Anasazi Beverly Hills vibe. This has some greens. I'm gonna see. Let's see. No, like, so, no, I would not say, like, this one is kind of like sort of Chef's Island, but like it's different. And then we have Royal Europe. I wouldn't say anything is similar except for maybe, no, because these are multi-chrome, so even the gold is completely different. Then we have Hudson Valley, which I wore today. Also more cool tony greens, just different coppers. And then we have, this is getting discontinued, and this is getting discontinued, the Fietse Province. And then Ghost Town USA is coming back during the fall time. Completely different vibes. And then this I got sent for my birthday from Nomad on my 30th birthday, 2022. Monteverde palette. I mean, there's some greens in here, but again, different greens. Let me see if green spiny lizard and glass wings. No, different vibes. And then again, just different vibes. They would really, look really great together, actually, the Monteverde palette and the New Ireland palette, because this one has a lot of greens in it too. Not as many. And then the Paradise Islands palette, which I love. I've hit pan on 3 shadows, almost 4. I hit pan on the purple this week. So again, let's see, lizard is kind of similar actually more similar to the Monteverde palette. Pretty similar. Well, I would say pretty damn close. Other than that, though, I don't see any dupes. And then lastly, I have 10 palettes from Nomad now. The Snow Watch palette, I think very different vibes. Again, hit pan on a shadow. So I actually do hit pan on my shadows. Okay. All right. Completely dried. So let's use, I'm going to use Savage Beauty, but on the lid just to see what it looks like. I'm going to do that my innermost, oh yeah. And my cat is doing something behind me. I think he's looking for a bug or something. Cliffs of Mother, which my pan is a little bit loose, but look at that beautiful copper. And my dog is doing something over there. I want to add a little bit of green, so let's do the very last shimmer. Only matte I have not used is, I have not used, was it 2 so far, or is it 3? I don't know, there's a lot of greens, okay? And then I'm going to do Slante, the last green, the shimmery green that I have not used. I've used all the shimmers, except for I'm going to use King of Carry in my inner corner. Ooh. Ooh. That is, oh my God. Paul and I are going to have so much fun together. We're going to make so many beautiful memories. I'm going to use, is there anything what I haven't used? I'm going to do Bunratty Castle. I haven't used that. That's terracotta right here. Which is a great neutral to do anything with. Honestly, I did a look a couple days ago where I just put a shade like this all over my lid. Which I never really do, but I mean, you can do. And then if you want to use like the green on your lower lash line or liner or whatever, I'm gonna use a little bit of, did I do Tainty? Is that what I put on the, I'm a mess, I'm tired. I'm gonna do Emerald Isle actually. I think I did not use that shade. And just kind of line it a little bit, just to kind of pull in the green a little bit. I feel like I used everything, but possibly didn't. Did I? Or no, I didn't use Cara Patrick. Did I do Mild Atlantic Way? Or no? I don't remember. It's like I want to use all of them. Let's do Cara Patrick right here. And then let's do Mid-Atlantic Way here. I swatched all of them, so it's like I don't know if they were used or not. Okay. So I did Mid-Atlantic Way, which is right here, and then I did Cara Patrick. Kind of just like, I don't know, smushed them all here. Like I did the Emerald Isle here. And then I'm just gonna kind of all blend them together, and then we'll do the Bronte Castle a little bit lower. Inner corner, I'm gonna do the King of Kerry. And I believe used everything. The gold, beautiful gold. Okay. I'm maybe doing way more looks. So this was a mess. Sorry, but it is, like I said, it's late at night. I'm tired. I just wanted to get these looks up. I'm so excited for this palette. Let me know if you're gonna order it. Please let me know if you use my code in stories, on Instagram. I'd love to know if you use my code. Please put in the comments down below. This launches, like I said, I'm gonna put all the details of when this launches, prices. Check my description box for all the information on the details. Thank you so much to Nomad, Felicia, and your hubby for sending me this palette. I'm so beyond grateful, and I'm just so happy like that you sent me this, and I love going on adventures with you through makeup. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye. Stay safe, healthy, and do something that makes you happy. Bye.